Hello everyone, welcome to GEPL Capital. Today we will be showing you how you can place a GTT order on the GEPL Pro Markets app. A GTT order stands for Good Till Triggered. It is a stock market order where you set a specific price trigger and your buy or sell order only executes when that price is reached, allowing you to automate your trades without constantly monitoring the market. It remains active until the trigger price is hit, then automatically places your order. So to place a GTT order, select the stock in which you have to place an order in. I'm selecting Biocon here, and you can see a small icon on the right hand side of the screen which allows you to place a GTT order. So in this you have to put in a trigger and then the price at which you want to execute your order after the trigger price is hit. Let's take an example. The current rate of Biocon is 357, but I want to buy it at 320. So I'll put my condition of LTP is lesser than 321. And then I'll put in my order details to buy 10 quantity at the rate of 320. So my order to buy at 320 will go into the system only when the trigger price of 321 is hit in the market. Then you can select the rest of the order criteria and swipe to place your order. Similarly, if you want to place a sell GTT order, click on the GTT icon and select sell on the top right corner. Put in the triggered price above which you want your order to go into the system, and then fill in your order details and the other criteria as per your preference and swipe to place the sell order.